Project title is Estimation and Investigation of High Performance Fiber Reinforcement Concrete with Cyclic Loading. My batchmates are Dinesh Kumar, Tamarasan and myself Dinesh Rajan under the guidance of Mr. Raghupati, MTech Assistant Professor in Delta High Tech Engineering College. Introduction. High performance reinforced concrete consists of a fiber material and steel material and some of the cement content. In this, the application of high performance concrete are mainly used to reduce the plasticity and reduce the shrinkage values and ductility factor, first crack load and etc. These the main these applications are used in airport bays and highway departments and in a lot of bridge constructions, dam constructions, etc. These are used in Pune Maharashtra highway roads and in Uttaranchal dam construction. And the main methodology of our project is it consists of beams. The beams in this high performance concrete beams. It consists of two. One high performance concrete beams, another one, and the high performance fiber reinforcement concrete consists of three types of concrete beams. And in every one there will be a different type of steel fiber used. In the first, the hooked end fiber is used. Next, in the crimpled end fiber used. Then combined of both are used, and the cyclic loading is applied, and the comparison of the both beams results are concluded. And the next the experimental investigation of our project. The experimental investigation of our projects consists of materials. What are the materials we are using? The materials using are cement. The cement experiments were ordinary Portland Pozzolana cement. The cement were used in standard bags and transferred later to the airtight steel drums to avoid deterioration of the quality. Then water. For curing itself, the water is used. Fine aggregate of minimum sizes are used. Coarse aggregate is 60 to 40%. And steel used the main reformable bars, whereas high yield strength deformed steel bars. And the fibers are shown here. This is a hooked end fiber and the crimpled end fiber. Then both are combined, and the types of fibers are here. Hooked end fiber of length of 30 mm, aspect ratio 48.4, diameter of 0.62, and crimpled are used. Superplastics are also used. Hyperplastic XR W40 is a cyclic polymer based on this. Silica films used. Mixed design. The mixed design, after the mixed design, we conduct mold details, and casting of the specimens are continued by Dinesh Kumar.
Casting of specimens considers of casting of hooked end fiber reinforcement concrete beam, casting of conventional high performance reinforced concrete beam. The both concrete beams are constructed in outside of the campus. We are getting the results from that laboratory. The casting of hybrid performance concrete beam. The casting of hybrid fiber reinforced concrete beam is similar to that of conventional concrete beam. In this beam, hooked and crimpled fibers are mixed in the proportion 70% to 30%, and they are added to the water mix and hand mixing, and finally casting the concrete beams. Then after casting the concrete beam, we are curing the concrete beams in the curing tank.
Experimental setup is continued by
Experimental setup is continued by Tamarasan.
Experimental setup. The beam where the simple support or both end were treated for the central concrete cyclic load. The load was applied using screw jack. The small things, the glass, the blade were fixed at the bottom surface of the beam to provide a smooth surface where deflections are to be measured. In this percentage we can get 30% to 70% of the test, where tests are shown in the figure. The experimental result and discussions of the beam. The load deflection behavior. The beams are subjected to the cyclic load by using this screw jack. Number of cycling of load were imposed on the beam till it falls. The deflections are measured at the center of the beam by using the deflow meter. The first crack load. The beam subjected to the load will develop the crack gradually with increasing in load. Initially, the load at which the crack formed is known as the first crack load. Ultimate load is defined as the maximum load in which the beam can be used to withstand of the question without any failure. When compared to the conventional concrete beams, the fiber reinforced concrete will have maximum load carrying capacity. Stiffness is required to process the beam where supported. The deflections of each applying load is plotted in the graph is in the form of high stress hooped is known as loop diagram. This have been discussed by Dinesh Rajan.
This is the ductility factor we are getting by applying the load cycle, and this is the variation of stiffness with the load cycle, and the variation of cumulative energy absorption with the load cycle diagrams are shown below, and behavior of the hooked and fiber RC beams. This is also having the same ductility ratio, the ratio of maximum deflection at each cycle to be deflected at the first yield of known as ductility factor. The factor means at what point the first yield is getting is known as the ductility factor. The maximum ductility value was measured as 20.81, and the ductility factor with the load cycle and the variation of cumulative ductility factor with the load cycle as shown in the figure later. And this is the deflection for each applied load is plotted graphically in the form of high stresses loop known as the loop diagrams, the loop diagrams for the conventional concrete. This is for the hooked and concrete, and this is the ductility factor we are getting when compared to the ordinary figure. This is the variation of the cumulative energy absorption with the load cycle, and the stiffness cycle relative energies diagrams. This is the ordinary diagrams of the ordinary high performance concrete beams. Comparison of our ultimate loads. The ultimate load carrying capacity of the conventional RC beams, hooked and crimpled and hybrid, the fiber reinforced concrete beams 2.2 kilonewton, 30.75, 22.5 kilonewtons, 30.75 kilonewtons, 27 kilonewtons, 32.25 kilonewtons respectively. The ultimate load for the hybrid fiber reinforced concrete beams was 1.45 times greater than that of the conventional RC beams. Therefore, the graphical representation for the comparison of the ultimate load for different beams is shown in the figures. This is the comparison. This is the high performance concrete. This is the crimpled and hooked and both ends. The load is varying according to the strength. See, ordinary high performance concrete having 22.5 kN, crimpled and having 30.25 kN, and hooked and 27. And at last we are getting crimpled plus hooked and we are getting 32.25 kN. This is the maximum load we are getting. So the comparison of the ultimate load is shown in this diagram. Comparison of the cumulative ductility factor. In that also high performance concrete is here. High performance and crimpled is higher than all other factors. These are the diagrams chap. Then conclusion of our project. The experiment, the stick rack load for the hybrid fiber reinforced